nice. I really like that thought. I'll write that down after this class. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, nice. Okay, so really, I like that thought of when you'll go to the heaven and yes, hi, how are you and how have you been lately? Please tell me about yourself again since the last meet,
Okay.
how everything has been.
Okay, everything has been fantastic.
That's nice.
Okay. What
That's
about
nice.
you?
Ah, perfect. Everything is going on the track, just as smooth as it can be. That's nice. Okay, so tell me, would you like to talk about the topic given to us, or would you like to talk something in general? Although the topic given to us is general topic, so we can talk about that too. So,
Yeah, yeah, no issue.
all right, all right. So the question which is definitely asked in this topic, I'm gonna ask you those, and you're supposed to talk about those questions, answer to me in at least 2 minutes. Okay, this answer should cover the 2 minute talking. So that the basic idea is you are supposed to speak a lot. All right, so that I
Sure.
can take a few
Yeah.
pointers from the same. Okay, so the question is, according to you, what is the meaning of life?
Okay, so according to me, but before that, I want to tell you according to the social media, love is life.
That's nice. That's nice. But now I want your opinion, not social media's opinion. Social media says anything.
Okay, so for me, life is what we enjoy the things that is given to us because we know the life is not we don't know how much life we have, but that much we have, we should enjoy the every moment of our life. By doing whatever we like, by enjoying every moment, not regretting for the past, not planning for the future. I would say not tense about the future. We should plan for the future, but not getting tense about the future or worrying about the future. Other than that, I would say life is like is a journey. It's not a destination. So we should enjoy the journey, not much focusing on the destination.
Yeah,
So
because
I would say
ultimately death is the destination.
that is the destination. So we can't wait for the destination because destination is or destination nothing special. So we should enjoy the journey of life rather than waiting for the destination or wasting the amazing journey for just for the destination.
Yeah, that's nice. But have you ever thought, like just a thought, I'm dropping this thought in your head. Have you ever thought that maybe death is so much beautiful that once the person goes into it, never comes back?
It's kind of very typical question, I would say. But still, if we haven't experienced something, so we can't say much about that. But yeah, it can be anything. As according to our scriptures and shastras, there may be heaven or hell. So if we are going to the heaven, so there will be a lot of fun facilities, and you are going to like you are in heaven. So what can I say? You are going to be like far better than that you are now. But just imagine you are dead and now you are going into the hell. And as they said, in the hell, they fry us like fighters in the hot oil.
Yeah, they say so many things, but nobody has any proof to that
And
theories,
proof to
right?
that. So
It's
what
just
if
the
that
talks.
happen? And the third case is also there. Neither heaven nor hell. What if we just die and went to the God and God asks us if that so how was the heaven? So now what? So
Yeah.
this also might be heaven. We are living in the heaven right now because yeah,
You never know.
God has given us a beautiful body with no disease, no any. I would say we are fully fit. We have all the organs and all the uh, things which should have. Uh, they give us a good family, good society. Even we are born in India, so what can be better than this? It is God. It's a country of God. Their God themselves born here, as we know that Lord Krishna, Raman, everything was born here. So we are here in the land of God. So I
Yeah.
would say this is not India is not less than heaven.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. India is
Yeah,
the, or we can say Kashmir is the heaven
heaven
on
of
earth,
the earth.
as they
Yeah,
say, right?
yeah, yeah, true, you are true.
Yeah, that's nice. Okay, so next question is, how is your life going up at this point? Like, how is your life at this very moment?
So as of now, my life is like I'm riding in fog. I can't see much far from here, but still I would like to keep going, and somehow the fog will over, and I'll be somewhere at least because it's
You
like
have a very good thought about that, right? Really
eh,
nice.
as they said that the light at the end of the tunnel. So you can say I'm riding in a tunnel right now, but yeah, there is a light. So one day I'll get that.
Yes, you will. Trust me, you will. And I really like the way how you put it up by saying that you have fog around, but still, you have to keep going because that's what it is all about, right? That's really nice. I really like that thought. I'll write that down after this class. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, nice. Okay, so really, I like that thought of when we'll go to the heaven and we'll talk not just the childhood, adulthood, and the old age. Everything was fun. That means the
Everything
life
was fine.
was fun. Right, nice. You have a
What
positive
about
point of view in life. That's really nice. I like that. Yeah, so let's go with the next question. Do you ever feel that you are wasting your life or you have wasted some part of your life in the past?
I would say I have wasted nothing. I have lived my life because what I think that currently, as you saying that, so what's your question? I just forget that.
And the question was, do you ever feel that you have wasted your life or in the past or you are wasting it right now? Like anything.
I would say wasted, but I would say that I'm not wasting my life. Sometime or someday when I had done nothing fruitful or nothing which I like in my life to do, that day I think that yeah, this day is just got wasted. Otherwise, I won't think anything that I'm wasting my life. I'm living my life. I'm enjoying my life.
That's really nice. That's really nice. I would really appreciate that. Okay,
Hmm.
I have another question for you. That is, have you led an easy or a difficult life so far? Like, would you say was your life so far, was it difficult or was it an easy one? Was it full of problems or was it, it was an up and down?
I would say it was like not very difficult, but a little bit ups and downs were there. But I say huge thanks to my parents and my family that they have given me everything I wanted. Even I asked my father for money for 500, they never give me 500. They give me 1,000 rather. Even ask for anything, my father won't deny me unless it's harmful for me or it's unnecessary. So I would say my life has been amazing so far. A little bit ups and downs were there, I would say, but still it's not like difficult and full of problems. And problems is the part of life which should be there because this is the thing which from we learn something. So
Yeah,
if you
that's
don't
right.
have any, so if you don't have any difficulties in your life, so you won't have anything experience, or you won't learn anything.
Also, you will never realize the value of a rainbow
Yeah,
unless and until it rains, right? So
yeah,
rainbow
that's
comes soon after the rain. That's
after the day.
that's the thought they say. That's nice. You have a really positive outlook on the life. That's really appreciative, I guess. Okay, so like we're talking about life.
But
Let's
by the way,
yes,
I just
yes.
want to ask one question. What is life according to you? And
Okay.
one advice for the people to relate it to life in a
Okay,
2 minutes.
this question was asked to me prior this session as well, but I'll again answer that to you as well. So, according to me, life is simple. That is, you should live it and you should not regret. I have had moments at which point I was really lost and I didn't know. I thought that this is the most difficult time of my life, but then later I realized that it was very important for me to make major mistakes later. So life is all about ups and downs. Life is all about learning and making mistakes, because it is one life, and you never know you are going to get another or not. They say that it was your previous birth and you are going to be this if you do that. I don't know all this. There is no proof theory upon that. So I am a person who believes that I will do everything I can. I will
Hmm.
explore everything I can, whatever is in my reach. My parents have provided me everything I wanted so far. So I would like to utilize, and I am utilizing each and every aspect of that. And like that is like life is living in the moment, and not just you should actually worry about future, but to an
But
extent. And it should be balanced. You should live in the moment rather than regretting the past and worrying about the future.
worrying
So
about the future.
that's my thought about life, and the
I would
advice is
say,
again the same. That is, just live in the moment and do the right thing by your side. What you feel is right, do that, and everything will fall into right in the place, because there is always God who will guide you. So
yeah.
that's my
So
thought, and that's my advice.
it seems that we have the same theory or perception regarding
Yeah,
life.
yeah, you can say that. You can say that. Like, I have a really positive outlook towards life. Like, I explore life to my best extent. I do everything what makes me happy. I do everything what makes my parents happy. So yeah,
Yeah,
it's all in all.
that's what life means.
Yeah, that's what life is. I guess I'm doing the right life thing. I guess so. Okay, so I have this one question. This is the last question. Then we'll be almost in the end of the session. So I have this last question. That is, for example, if you are offered another life, will you take it?
Definitely, I will take another life.
And will you take it with difficulties, or will it be like easy one?
I will take with difficulties.
Okay, you'll take with difficulties. Okay. Let's imagine that you were born in the house of Ambani. What do you think? What is the problem he faces?
They don't have much privacy because they are the richest, so they can't go as like in the market and having pani puris and having tea at taparis. So they can't do these things that we can do. So this is the thing I would say. We have the privacy, we have the freedom.
Right.
Mm.
Right. That's nice. That's nice. Okay. So, like, would you like to have a feedback from me? If that's so,
Yeah,
then I'll
yeah,
give.
sure, sure,
All
sure.
right. I would definitely tell you that I must have told you this in the prior session as well, but like, you have the good command over the language, and I see a little improvement from the past classes, like from the previous class. The improvement is you are much confident, like you were confident in the prior class as well, but now you are fluent and confident, and there are very little, I guess, grammatical mistakes. There were just one or two which I could spot. Apart from that, you were fluent and you were confident. Just one thing I would like to say: when you're talking, try to keep your eye contact in the screen, because when
Okay.
you talk, you wave your eyes around the room. Try not to do that.
Yeah,
It shows that you're nervous.
yeah.
Okay,
Another
even
two.
if you are not, it depicts that you are nervous, because this eye movement depicts that you are nervous. So I would really appreciate if you try to avoid this in future and make an eye contact or look in the screen while you are, what I do, like right now we are sitting, so one part you are there and one part I am there in my laptop. This is, so I keep looking at you, I keep looking at myself.